What's up, everyone? Welcome to Sidewalk Customs. My name is George, and this is another episode of Advan Black. Now, I'm excited today because I really wanted to get to this light here. A lot of people have asked me, when are you going to do a review real quick on it, compare it to the factory one. I've tested some of the lights as well, and I really want to get down to it. First and foremost, you guys see my light. This is your stock headlight. It runs pretty deep, so it takes up a lot of room in the back of the bike. A lot of the time it's tougher to actually even put amps in the front of the bikes. In addition to that, we do have the bezel on this. Actually, this is actually it's glued on, or kind of like double-sided tape on it, right? You can get this at Harley. They also have some Amazon models as well. You have to heat them up in order to get that bend in the front. But at the end of the day, we call it it's glued on, right? Advan Black makes color matching new bezel they have. This bezel, it's not glued on. This bezel does bolt on. It's got 4 connections in the back. It comes with a bracket. It actually bolts on to your actually stock front fairing. Now, this comes in color match. You guys can check it out. Now, this light right here is pretty cool light. Now, it's not plastic, okay? It's actually solid. You guys can see. It does come with a connection. It connects right up. It actually has these 2 connectors right here. I actually plugged them in already. I'll probably put tape on them. I like putting tape on things, so I'll probably tape them just to protect them a little bit more. But this light, very, very bright light. I will be doing on the video, I will be adding this light on the street and then this light on the street so you guys can see the difference. This actually runs as a running light on the side, but when you do turn on your turning signal, they actually flash on his side. One of the things you like to see, if you look at it, it's very slim. Plenty of room in the back compared to your stock one, right? Take a look at it. Big difference, right? Big difference. Runs at low beam about 4,000 looms, high beam 8,000 looms, which is great. We always on the road try to get that out there, but I'm looking forward to putting this in. I think it's gonna not only make a difference, it's gonna look cool as well. Not worried about the front kind of flapping off, whether it's Harley's or anyone's. And bolt this on. I will do a test real quick. Black bike's already open. I'll show it to you guys. We already got it pulled apart. This is why I wanted to show you guys the stock headlight. In addition to that, it's bolt on, right? Bolt right on. This bolt right on. This one you have to stick on. This is for 2015 road glides and up, right? So from 2015 and up, this is the headlight that will fit your front. And if once you get the light, these are actually off. You actually put these on, but you guys can see how easy it is to put on. These are your turning signals, left, right. Make sure you plug them up properly. Before you seal the front, test it first. That way you know which one's left and right. And I'll see you guys shortly. I do want to make sure that your stock runs about, I want to say 2250 low beam, about 3250. So you're somewhere in about 2500 low beam looms range. If you guys don't understand the looms, we all know when we get a car, you get that little yellow light on the front. We always run real quick and try to find that LED light, make it brighter, which is roughly about 6,000, 6,500. When you start jumping into the 7,000 and 8,000 for the low beam, that light actually starts to go more blue than white. So give it a second. We're gonna pop it on in here, test the light, and give you guys a quick review. Wanted to get out here, show you guys this. This is great. If you're looking for this light, please reach out to me. We do have sales here and there. We can, probably get you a discount as well when we have the sales. But reach out to me. Just ping me. Get these. We have them in stock. Based on the color, we may have your color match ready in stock as well. We can send them out real quick. Wanted to show you guys how this actually mounts up. You got 4 mounting, so it actually bolts on. It's not. You guys can see the front of this. It looks pretty freaking neat. I'm about to put it on that guy right there. So she's on already, as you guys can see. I'll actually left these so you guys can see it. This is your purple. It goes to your left turning signal right here. It plugs right in between. right in between here, and then this is the other one that plugs in. There's your harness right here, and that is your little brown one. You know, bolts right on. Get to a lot of room back here. You know, you can stick my whole hand in here. Plenty of room. So now let's see how it looks turned on. Now the light's done. You guys can see it gives it a very, very mean look from the top view, the side view. This is a fat tire, so this is the you guys seen it, the Avant Black Road Glide. So now we're gonna pull this bike out. We're gonna take it out and run the lights. We already did it with a stock light. We'll show you that as well. So you guys can see I have some before and after pictures. Much bigger, widespread here. I mean, it lights up the whole area here, further out. I mean, this is just amazing. The light's very, very bright, as you guys can see. And actually, when I shoot up the high beam on this bike, you guys are gonna see that. That's the low beam right there, and the high beam actually spans out like a straight up to the middle. Great light.